My name is Hoof. I was project manager for the crane exchange project for the Cadeler cranes since 2021. And I was responsible for the engineering, supply chain, fabrication, factory commissioning, transport of the cranes to Rotterdam till the completion here at the quayside. We started off in the beginning of 2021 and we basically started in Corona age with a contract. After contract signing, you start comprising a team. With the team, you make a plan. Basically, this project was time-driven, so planning was of the essence. So when do you have to finish your engineering? When do the drawings need to be ready? When do you need to order materials, critical components? When do you need to start fabrication? When does fabrication need to be finished? After finishing fabrication, you have a testing time in the factory, which was highly important. And when do the cranes need to be on transport? When you start a project, you're looking for competent partners to execute such a project. You're looking for a knowledgeable and high quality fabricating partner as NOV Korea, as we did. They were vital in getting this project ready in time. They fabricated the cranes, they assembled them, they factory tested them and made them ready for transport. And you need a partnership with a knowledgeable and experienced lifting partner, which is in this case Mammoet. I think one of the market leaders in the world on this work. And with those companies, we had an early involvement, which resulted in the end result of this project being a delivery on time, safe and efficient. We started off the project in Corona time. Lead times of components were going through the roof. And we had to cope with also the Ukraine crisis. If I see what we have achieved in 3 years' time, given the circumstances, it was really a pleasure to work with this team and in this project.